Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubak Preston Tinsong ula Pynthikna halor ke Jingiada ya ki Nongbylla ki bawan Nabar Jylla na ke bentar ki Kyntu ya ki Kompani jong ki project repair Kyntu ya ki tu ki bela penyat da ke National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Hinrai ha ke juga por ula Kyntu ya ki Kompani bakin yat kat kum ki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Migrant Workers Act bat ban Pynthikna baki Nongbylla ki deban yo ya ka labor license kenang ban lait na ke jing syak pentut bat kinu ki jing hakikam baki trei. Ubat Tinsong ulayai ban na kaliang ka Sorkar bakan om perking ha ka baidei bat ki projek surok na ka benta ke jing mentoy jong ki pajba.
I have already given the instruction to all the district opposition. Be firm, do it, any incident, any kind of disturbances, as I said to you, especially outside, in those places, in those projects which is undertaken, please make sure that safety, security of the laborers is intact. Nobody can touch them. We allow laborers from outside, but at least make sure that they have labor license. We have to strictly follow the act, because this act is also for the safety of the laborers.
Chief